Good morning, this is Jack from Charting the Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Friday, the 28th of February. My disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing and learn from it, transfer it to your own charts. I'm not here to shoot trading signals. Right, looking at Bitcoin, obviously, we've got an RSI 14 sell signal fixed on the weekly. We've got an RSI 5 sell signal fixed on the weekly. And today, at the close, that RSI 5 sell signal will probably make target. We've got a nice looking double top. I was looking at this a couple of weeks ago, and when I was looking at it last week, and we've got a really nice looking double top here, and it's broken down. It's broken down with a target in the 69,000 to 70,000 area, and that's a pretty good match with the rising support from the 2023 low, which could well be a target. And I've got that currently at about the and with the 64,000 area, but obviously price and time, that is a rising target. I've drawn it in here, potentially being reached at 67,500. We will see. All right, looking at the hourly charts, no current divergence, but obviously we've seen a significant move down overnight towards this target. And on the 15-minute chart, we've got a little, oh, hang on a second. Sorry, that was the daily chart. Yeah, daily chart, we've got no current positive divergence. So hourly chart, nothing as well. Bit of positive divergence on the 15-minute. But basically, the target is 69,000 to 70,000. I'm thinking we might see a decent rally on the way, and we may well see one of those now. And I'll be talking about that. But on the bigger picture, I think it's got a pretty good chance of reaching 69 to 70,000. And that is a very, very obvious support level. Looking at Solana, on the daily chart, we've got a possible RSI 5 buy signal brewing. Nothing on the RSI 14, but I have been wondering about a rally here. We do have a potential double bottom here. It's not great, but it's not awful either. But it could be, it's something that possible resistance at 147, and I wouldn't be astonished to see a right shoulder pullback and an inverted head and shoulders form here. If so, that could get us a pattern, which could get us back up into about the 170 area. I've got declining resistance currently in about the 156 area, and I still like this possible falling wedge setup that I put in here. That's not necessarily going to be the final pattern, but I'm thinking we might well see a decent rally from this. And if we can get a daily RSI 5 buy signal fixed, then that could be pretty decent. On the Solana 15-minute chart, we had a little positive divergence. We've had a very nice rally off the lows. We will see how it goes from here. Looking at Ethereum. Ethereum on the daily chart, again, we could set up positive divergence here like Bitcoin, but we haven't actually got any yet. On the hourly chart, no current divergence, but we're getting pretty close. Oh no, we've actually gone below. I was looking for a retest of this low here at 2135.28, and we've seen it. Now, that would, that's made the full target for the head and shoulders. I was looking at that at 2121.38, and we've now seen that. But we're obviously in this very big support area, and I've been leaning towards this area holding. Nothing really in terms of a main pattern here, but I'm going to draw in. Sorry, I've seen some interesting stuff overnight that I haven't charted up yet. Let's have a quick look at this. That would be a possible falling wedge. I had a nice support trend line here which broke, but let's just see whether we got another one. Oh yeah, we did. That's nice. That's really nice. I'm thinking we may be seeing a short-term low here, and we may be starting a rally. And this kind of fits in with the what I was talking about on equities too. We've got that same possibility here. Do I think this looks like a main low on crypto here? Possibly. I mean, one thing I would say is now that we've done that low retest here, we've got a beautiful level bottom on Ethereum. It's really not bad. We've got resistance up here at 28.55. We've got 1, 2 lows. It's nice. It's got potential, but there's nothing. It's not compelling. But it's definitely got potential. But I have to say, this double top that's broken down on Bitcoin is fairly compelling. So we'll see. I think we might be putting in lows on Solana and Ethereum, but have not yet put that on Bitcoin yet, because Bitcoin really, the other two have been beaten up pretty badly, but Bitcoin has not. This has not really seen a serious retracement yet. This could be that serious retracement, and even that is just a back test of broken resistance. This big zone here I've marked in yellow. We shall see. All right, great. In that case, let's have a look at questions. that's where we are. I'm quite liking a rally here. Ethereum's hit big support on that retest. Solana, we're seeing a nice little move off the lows here. We've got a potential bottoming pattern forming, and we've got this nice looking falling wedge that I still like. And we've got the possible daily RSI 5 bicycle brewing. I'm liking a rally here. We'll see how it develops. All right, great. In that case, everyone have a great weekend, and I'll catch you guys again on Monday.